Hello students, today we have to move for the new exercise 5.3. Let us read the first sum in this. Find the area of shaded region in the figure 5.19. This is the figure. If PQ equals 24 centimeter, that has given PQ this value. This is the 24 centimeter. How much it is? 24 centimeter. And PR, this is the PR. It is a 7 centimeter. Okay. And O is the center of a circle. This O is the center of a circle. We want to find the area of this shaded portion. I mean this region, shaded region. Yes, let us know about that. If the diameter is there, the diameter always gives a 90-degree angle. I mean angle R we can take as 90-degree here, or this thing. Okay, angle P we can take as 90-degree. So here we can get the right angle triangle. Okay, this always subtends. If it is a diameter is there, the angle should be 90-degree. So we can get a right angle triangle here. Okay, keep in mind that first we have to find out the area of this triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR, or area of triangle PQR, here we can get, that is the, we know that of into base into height. Okay, of into base is, which is the base, RP is the base here, RPR, PR into H is the height should be, that is nothing but the QR. This is the height, right? Okay, so that nothing but of into PR, the value they only is given 7 into QR is, that value is also, we know that. So both are equal. I mean isosceles triangle, sorry, height should be this thing, which is PQ. PQ is the height. Okay, so that should be 24. So 2 12s are, it is 12 7s are, 12 7s are is 84 centimeter square. 12 7s are 84 centimeter square. This is okay. Next we have taken in this is the right angle triangle PQR. Let us take this right angle triangle PQR. In this we can take this, we know that right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, we know that what is that, square of a hypotenuse is equal to the, which is the square of hypotenuse here. Hypotenuse nothing but the QR square equals, other two sides are PQ square plus RP square. Okay, so here QR is how much, we don't know that QR, that thing only want to find out. Right as it is, QR equals PQ is how much has given, 24 square plus RP is 7 square. Okay, next is QR square equals 24 square nothing but 24 into 24 it is, that is 576 plus 7 square means 7 7s are 49. Okay, next is QR square equals 576 plus 49. We got let us add this 576 plus 49. You have to learn the square numbers, it is very easily for you to guess. 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 4 is 12, then 1 carry 6, 5 plus 1 is 6. We got the 625. So 625 square number is 25 25s are, I mean QR square equals, instead of 625 we can write as 25 square get cancelled, then QR equals 25 centimeter. Yes, we got the value of QR now, it is the 25 centimeter. Next we have to find out the, this is the diameter also, we can find the R radius is D divided by 2. D we got, QR is the diameter, so D we got 25 divided by 2. Okay, next we have to find out the area of semicircle. This is called as a semicircle. Semicircle in the sense half of the circle. This part is also semicircle and this part is also semicircle. Two semicircle equal to one circle. So here this shaded portion is in the semicircle only. So that's why we have to take the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. Okay, so area of full circle is pi r square. Semi in the sense I told you already, it is half pi r square divided by 2 or half pi r square, we can take that. Okay, semi in the sense half pi r square or nothing but it is pi r square divided by 2. So if it should be like that, let's substitute the value. Pi value is 22 by 7 into r square. R square value is nothing but 25 by 2 or 12.5 we can get here. 12.5. So we can substitute this as 12.5 into 12.5 into 1 by 2 is there, no, nothing but 1 by 2 pi r square. This is the value is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square, right? Okay, so into 1 by 2 we can write here. 1 by 2 into pi r square, nothing but pi r square divided by 2. So that is 2. From 2 it is 2 11s, and from 7 it is 7 1s 7, 4 40 it is 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35 approximately. 7 6 are 40, it is more, 7 5s are. So 12.5 into 12.5, let's multiply this. 12.5 into 12.5 into 1.5, we got finally 1.5 into 12.5 into 12.5. let's multiply first. 12.5 into 12.5. okay, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2, again from 1 125, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 5, 2 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1. So here 2, leave 2 numbers and put a point. 156.25. 156.25 into 1.5 it is. So into 1.5. So 15 5s are 75. We can do directly by 15, later we can put a point. 15 5s are 75, 7, 15 2s are 30 plus 7, 37, 3, 15 6 are 90 plus 3, 93, 9, 15 5s are 75, 75 plus 9 is 84, 8, 15 1s are 15 plus 8 is 15 plus 8 is 23. So here point after 2 numbers and 1 number, leave 3 numbers 1 2 3 from a right and put a point. So we can get here 234.3 enough, or 2 digits or 3 digits we can take that. So it is enough, 234.3 centimeter square. This is the area of semicircle. Okay, so now we have to find out the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Students, you can find here this area of shaded region. It is in a whole semicircle. First we have to take the area of semicircle minus this triangle. So if we do that, we can get this part. Okay, area of semicircle minus area of triangle, we can get this. So this is very important. How we can solve, that is very important. Definitely in this shaded region, to find the area of shaded region in this exercise, there will be the questions for you for 3 marks. Keep in mind, sure question it is. So concentrate on this properly. It is in the semicircle, that's why area of semicircle minus area of triangle we can get. So area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Okay, the whole semicircle minus, if we do this, we can get this area. Okay, area of semicircle is 234.3 minus area of triangle we got here. This is area of triangle, that is the nothing but 84. So we have to subtract that. 234.3 minus 84, point after no number put 0, 3 minus 0 3, 4 minus 4 0, 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, then 13 minus 8 is 5. Next it should be we got a 1 borrow here, 150.3. so that equal to 150.3 centimeter square. So this is the area of shaded region, keep in mind. Okay, how much it is? 150.3 centimeter square. Okay, hope you will understand this. Let's move for the next sum. This is the second sum in this exercise. Let's read. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure 5.20 that has given in your textbook actually. So this two circles are there. If it is not visible, I'll draw with a pen. Yes, hope you will visible now. Okay, so this is shaded region. They has given a if radii of two concentric circle with center O. This is a two concentric in the sense I told you already, one circle inside one more circle, that they are called as a concentric circle with a center O or 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter in the sense the radii is of the small circle. This so let us take here first one number. This should be marked with the number, one number like x and y we can take because the points are there, this point. And OX is 7 centimeter, radius of the small circle, this circle radii. And radius of the big circle, I mean OC, is 14 centimeter. Okay, this OC is 14 centimeter, OX only 7 up to here. So this is up to here, don't get confusion. Okay, so and angle AOC they has given how much it is, 40 degree. Okay, then we want to find the area of this shaded portion. So concentrate students here. First we have to find this area, then a big area. So in that big area, if you minus this, we will get this area of shaded portion. Okay, that thing we have to analyze first only before solving, then we can get an idea. Okay, I mean here if you are find out the area of the small sector and area of the big sector, if you minus the area of big sector minus small sector, we can get this region. Okay, so let us find out the area of sector 1, area of our small sector, small circle sector, small circle sector. So that formula we know already. For same it is theta divided by 360 into pi r square, right? Okay, theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So this is the area of small sector, small circle sector. So theta we got for the both theta is 40 only, 40 divided by 360 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r, I mean small circle radius is 7 into 7. 7 has given 7 into 7. It's 7 7 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled, 4 9s it is. Okay, next is 9. From the 9 9 3s 27 is more, 9 2s 18, 4 will be the remainder, put a point, it will become 40. 40 in the sense 9 5s are 45 is more, 9 4s are 36. Okay, 2.4 into 7. Finally we got here 2.4 into 7, nothing but 7 4s are 28, 2 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. So we got 16.8 centimeter square. This is the area of small circle sector. Let's find out now area of big circle sector. Big circle sector. So the same formula for this also, theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Let us substitute the value. Theta nothing but for both the circle it is 40 degree divided by 360 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r will be changed. Because radius of the small circle is 7 centimeter and radius of the big circle is 14 centimeter. So we should write r square in the sense double. 14 into 14 it is. So 1010 get cancelled, 4 ones are 4 nines are as usual it is, 7 ones are 7 twos are. Again from 9 it is easy, once we did know that is same, that is the 2.4. Yes, let's multiply here. So we got finally 2.4 into 14 twos are 28. So let's multiply the 2.4 into 28. Later we can put a decimal, no need to think about the decimal. 8 fours are 32, 3, 8 twos are 16 plus 3 is 19, 2 fours are 8 and 2 twos are 4, that is 2, 9 plus 8 is 17, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. So here point after one number is there, here there is no number and there is no point, so leave one number from the right side and put a point. So it will become 67.2 centimeter square. This is the area of big circle sector. Now it is the area of small sector. Next we have to take the area of shaded region. This region, area of shaded region, that is the first we have to take the area of big circle sector minus area of small sector area of small circle sector. Okay, hope you will understand. So which is the area of big circle sector is 67.2 minus area of small circle sector is 16.8. So let's do the subtraction now. 67.2 minus 16.8. 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 minus 6, we got already 10 borrow, here 6 minus 6 is 0 and 6 minus 1 is 5. 50.4, we got the area of shaded portion 50.4 centimeter square. Hope you will understand this. This is the area of shaded portion. Okay, thank you all.